Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I created these beautiful blinged out Gucci nude pink press on nails. Starting off, we are using XL Coffin nails and I am painting them with this nude pink polish. I'm so sorry, I do not know what color this is. I have so many pinks, I don't know. Oh my gosh, I don't know. Alright, I just took those out the dryer and I'm just going to do a second coat and then we're going to get on to the Gucci design. Alright, now that these pretty pink nails are out the dryer, it's time to start the design. I'm just using these black Gucci print stickers that I bought. And yeah, I'm just going to cut them out to size like I did on all my other videos. And I'm just going to kind of freestyle because I don't know what I want to do. Alright, now that all the decals are on, I'm going to take my file, my 100, 180 grit file. I'm going to take the 100 grit side and I'm going to file off all the excess of the decals on the nails. Now that all of the excess decals are filed off, we are about to start blinging these out. And I ended up not even using these pearls. I think they're pearls. I ended up not even using them. But I'm using the usual stones and these big crystals that I always use. Per usual, I honestly didn't know what crystal design I wanted to do, so I kind of just freestyled as I went. And yeah, you're just gonna see me doing that. This is sped up super fast because this clip was originally about 30 minutes long. But yeah, you're just gonna see me freestyle these. and here we are. Our beautiful nails are complete. I'm so excited. These were so fun to make and they're really beautiful. I love the sparkle, I love the shine of the crystals and everything. I hope you enjoyed this video and you learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And please share the video and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.